Good morning, friends. I welcome you in the new video where we are going to discuss the four hot news of the day. Before we begin with the video, I would like to request everyone to subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification. The first news is related with the wind integration solution provider that is Inox Wind, which has bagged repeat order for the 210 megawatt project from Hero Future Energy. Moreover, the company has also won the multi-year operation and maintenance that is O&M of these projects from Hero Future Energy, adding the extra cash to the balance sheet. Moving with the second largest news of the day is the Dixon subsidiary Padget Electronics ties up with the China-based Longcheer for the smartphone production. With this strategic tie-up, the Dixon is aiming for a better and quality-based smartphones in the global market and creating a long-lasting impact of the company and to generate more business venture through this strategic collaboration. Moving with the third largest news is from the Ultratech management that has confirmed the buy of 1.1 megaton per annum grinding unit from the India Cements Maharashtra based with total estimation of 315 crores. This is in alignment with the 32,000 crore capex plan the Ultratech Cement management is planning in the next 3 years. Moreover, the company has also commissioned greenfield projects in Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu with the total capacity reaching 115.6 megaton per annum. Moving with the last and the biggest news is the IPO filing of Premium Energy that with the fresh buying of 1500 crores. Premium Energy that is known throughout the India for the second largest solar panel integration solution provider. The aim for the IPO is to dilute the private stake owned by the investor such as Asia Growth Fund, South Asia EBT Trust, and promoter Chiranjeevi Singh Saluja. With this, the company's IPO is still under the process and yet to hear any confirmation from the SEBI. Uh, for for any updates that comes in the future, we will let you know directly through our video. So for that, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification to get the latest information notification at time. With this, I would like to wrap the video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, take care, and bye.